good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 18 from verse 12 to verse 27. Jesus go in front of Annas. After that they happen, the soldier them and them leader plus the guard them hold on to Jesus and tie up him and them. Them take him carry go Annas first. Annas did a Caiaphas father-in-law, and Caiaphas did a the leader for the priest them for the hear them. Now Caiaphas did a the one where they tell the Jew leader them say it would have better for one man dead for the whole of the Jew people them. Peter say no know Jesus. Simon Peter, one next one of Jesus follower them, walk back at the soldier and guard them. When them did a carry Jesus go Annas. No, the other follower here did know the leader for the priest them, and sake of that him follow them when they carry Jesus go the leader for the priest them yard. But Peter then go in. Him turn out a door at the gate. The other follower where didn't know the leader for the priest them come back out and talk to the woman where did walk at the gate and carry Peter go inside. You know one of them follower them too. One slave girl where did walk at the gate asked Peter. No, me no one of them, him said to her. No, it did well cool. And so the servant them and the head priest guard them did a turn up round one fire where them did make to keep them warm. Peter did turn up there with them too, and warm up himself. The leader for the priest them questioned Jesus. Same time this did go on. The leader for the priest them did ask Jesus question about him follower them and about when him teach. Me talk for everybody hear me, Jesus said to him. Me teach in the Jew them church and in the yard where God house there, where part the Jew people them meet up together. Me no hide and say nothing. Where you ask me then sitting here for? Ask the people them where hear what me say. Them know what me say. When Jesus said this here, one of the guard them shot him a box in his face. I saw you talk to the leader for the priest them. He asked Jesus. So Jesus said to him, say, if me say something wrong, then tell everybody else so when me say wrong. But if me uncle talk with true, what make you box me? Then Annas sent Jesus go to Caiaphas, the leader for the priest them. Him did still have Jesus tie up. Peter say him no know Jesus. No, Simon Peter did still turn up and warm up himself. So the people them around the fire asked him say, you are not one of him follower them too. But he tell them no. Me are no one of them, him say. The somebody who for years Peter did chop off, did a family with one of the leader for the priest them servant them. Hear him to Peter. Now you me see with him in the garden. Peter say, no go so. And same time him said so. One rooster crow. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.